Have you ever wished to be someone else? To have more power, more wealth, more control over your life? Let me tell you a story about a simple man who learned one of life's greatest lessons, the lesson of true strength and self-worth. Stay with me till the end, because this story might just change the way you see yourself forever. Once upon a time, in a small mountain village, there lived a poor stonecutter. Every day he worked hard, breaking stones under the hot sun. His clothes were worn, his hands were rough, and his life felt ordinary. One afternoon, while cutting stones near a rich man's house, he saw gold and jewels shining through the windows. The stonecutter, "If only I could be rich, I would never suffer again." To his surprise, a voice from the mountain spirit, "Your wish is granted." And suddenly, he became the rich man. Dressed in silk, living in luxury, the stonecutter thought he had everything. But soon he noticed that people bowed not to him, but to the powerful governor riding through town. Envy filled his heart. If only I could be the governor, then I would be respected. And just like that, the spirit granted his wish. As the governor, he gave orders, controlled soldiers, and felt unstoppable. Yet one day, as he stood outside, the blazing sun made him sweat and weak. "The sun is stronger than me," he thought. "If only I could be the sun." And so he became the sun, shining brightly across the world. He burned fields, dried rivers, and felt almighty, until clouds drifted in and blocked his rays. "The clouds are greater than I am. I wish to be a cloud." As a cloud, he poured rain, caused floods, and moved freely in the sky. But then he felt himself pushed around by a mighty wind. "The wind is stronger than me. I wish to be the wind." He became the wind, blowing rooftops away, shaking trees, unstoppable, until he slammed against a huge rock. No matter how hard he blew, the rock would not move. Amazed, he whispers, "The rock is the most powerful. I wish to be the rock." And so he became a giant stone, standing firm, unshaken by sun, wind, or rain. He felt invincible, until one day he heard the sound of a hammer and chisel. Looking down, he saw a poor stonecutter chipping away at him. The stonecutter was stronger than the rock. In that moment he realized he had always been powerful, always been worthy, just as he was. This story teaches us something eye-opening. Chasing after what others have will never satisfy you. True strength lies not in becoming someone else, but in believing in yourself. You already have the courage, the determination, and the inner power to rise, to stand tall, and to overcome anything life throws at you. So stop wishing to be someone else. The miracle is already within you. Believe in yourself, because you are unstoppable.